This chapter provides an in-depth exploration of child development across cultures, analyzing how cultural contexts shape parenting practices, child development, and the broader process of socialization. It begins by emphasizing that while parents play a central role in a child's development, they are just one of many socializing agents, with extended families, peer groups, schools, and communities also contributing to the child's growth. The importance of each socializing agent varies significantly across cultures, with some emphasizing collective family involvement and others focusing on individual autonomy within the nuclear family. The chapter introduces parental ethno-theories, which are culturally based beliefs about effective child rearing. These ethno-theories shape parenting styles and practices, influencing everything from discipline to developmental expectations. Parents' approaches to rule setting, bedtime routines, and expressions of control reflect these cultural beliefs, revealing differences in what is considered effective parenting across cultures. A key topic in this chapter is motherese, or infant-directed speech, IDS, also called baby talk. This universal, spontaneous way of communicating with infants typically features exaggerated intonation, slower tempo, and simpler vocabulary, aiding in language acquisition. While IDS is common across cultures, variations in tone, rhythm, and vocabulary reflect the unique cultural norms and ethno-theories of child communication. The chapter also delves into temperament, which refers to a biological predisposition to behave in certain ways. While temperament has genetic roots, it is shaped by cultural and environmental factors. Cultures may encourage or discourage certain temperamental traits, such as sociability, emotional expressiveness, or restraint, aligning child behavior with culturally valued characteristics. The concept of attachment patterns is explored extensively, particularly the idea of monotropy, which posits that an infant's bond with the mother or primary caregiver is distinct from other relationships. This bond is considered essential for healthy emotional development, and disruptions to it can be maladaptive. However, in many cultures, caregiving responsibilities are shared among multiple adults, challenging the Western-centric model of a singular attachment figure and necessitating a broader understanding of attachment across different cultural settings.
A significant portion of the chapter focuses on gender identity, which refers to a child's understanding of their own gender, and gender roles, the culturally defined behaviors deemed appropriate for males and females. The discussion covers traditional views of gender, which often emphasize clear distinctions between masculine and feminine roles, contrasting these with evolving views of gender that embrace greater fluidity and flexibility. Concepts like psychological androgyny, where individuals embody both masculine and feminine traits, are explored in cultures that promote more flexible gender schemas. The chapter also addresses sexual orientation and how evolving perceptions of it impact child development. It considers how cultural norms and increasing acceptance influence children's understanding of diverse sexual identities, highlighting shifts from rigid, traditional views to more inclusive and affirming perspectives. Another topic of focus is religious identity, which plays a crucial role in shaping children's beliefs, values, and social norms. Religious identity can deeply influence parental ethno-theories, attachment patterns, gender roles, and overall developmental expectations. It impacts not only the moral values and social behaviors of children but also shapes their attitudes toward other identities, including gender and sexual orientation. In conclusion, Chapter 8 offers a comprehensive analysis of how child development is influenced by culture, covering a broad range of topics such as parental ethno-theories, motherese, temperament, attachment patterns, gender identity, gender roles, sexual orientation, and religious identity. It emphasizes that while many developmental processes are biologically driven, they are profoundly shaped by cultural norms, beliefs, and evolving perspectives across societies.